Hi guys, hope all is well with everyone today. So today we're going to do a little chit chat while I get ready. I have not sat down and chat with you for a while, so let's just jump in. I'm not sure I'll show on camera. I think my brows are looking extra dark right now. However, I just did my actually did my tattoo method. If you want to see, I will show you how I do that. I love this. I actually did my eyebrows a year ago, so the tattoo is kind of light. It's kind of lightening now. So now I've found a different method to kind of darken it on my own. So probably I will film that at a later date. So today we're gonna get ready. We have a all-white party to go to, an event. Not sure if you saw my previous video, but we are actually on a cruise. We went to St. Thomas, Puerto Rico, and Grand Turks. I'm going to talk about that later in the video. So today is an all white, and so me and hubby's going to do like an all white Arabian theme. I'll link the kit below if you want to achieve this look. All right, so I'm going to go in. I'm using Black Radiance Concealer. I'm going to probably put the color, hopefully my camera focus. This video is not really to talk about products. It's just a chit chat about my experience, how I feel about the cruise, all that good stuff. Okay, so this is the first time that me and hubby ever went on a cruise. Our family members have always been on cruise. Me and hubby has never been on a cruise, so this was our first time. We went on Carnival and it was okay. We were on Carnival. We went to St. Thomas and Puerto Rico. The final destination was supposed to be Grand Turks, but I guess because of the storm Albert, they missed that stop, so we're back on our way. So now we're heading back to New York, which that's why I'm like in a little funk, but safety is better. I'm planning to do another vacation in the future where we can include Turks again. Hopefully we can make it. Hopefully we can make it. So yeah, so I'm a little bummed about that, but safety comes first. And if you kind of see the camera rocking, like I said, we're actually, as I'm filming this, we're actually on the boat and we're on rough seas. So hopefully my camera is not shaking too bad, because it is really windy out tonight. I had all intention to do like get ready with me and date nights and all the looks for my formal wear. It didn't happen. I just been like hurrying up, getting ready like I'm doing right now. So hopefully, let's jump into the food. The food was pretty good. Like I said, Fahrenheit restaurant was pretty good. The buffet was nice, and the dining room was really nice. We went to Elegant Night. If I can find a picture, I'll put it there. That's what I wore for one of the Elegant Nights. As I'm getting ready tonight is another Elegant Night, but like I said, we're gonna opt out and we're gonna go to the all-white party because it's just too much rush. This look the look I'm creating today is coming from this palette, and this is the Morphe collab with James Charles. So I have not used this palette in forever, so I wanted to use it today. Entertainment wise, so that's food. Entertainment wise was pretty good. They have a lot of comedy shows. They had like a 90s party that was really fun. I wore to that. I thought it was really fun. And now, like I said, we're getting ready for the all-white party. So I have 40 minutes. I have about 40 minutes to get ready. So this video might be a little rushed, but I just want to cover some things while I'm here because I will forget when I get home. I get home in 2 days. So yeah, the entertainment was pretty good. Like I said, they have a lot of comedy shows, some dance parties. They also had like a 80s glow party that was also fun. Me and my daughter dressed alike, was so cute. And then yeah, that was the thing. They had like they had bingo. So yeah, they had Family Feud, and they didn't pick my family. They're lost. But it was really fun to watch, and the families that got picked was really cute, so I can't be a hater with that. It was a really fun game. Then tomorrow night, which I don't know how to, tomorrow night they have like a love and marriage show. So if I go to that, some of the shows unfortunately we can't film, but I will definitely try to put a clip in here if I can, because for Family Feud for some reason we couldn't film. I think it was like for copyright, so I'm not sure if love and marriage is the same concept. And I'm just going in and blending. Like I said, this is just a quick look. I'm going in with this dark, I know it looks black on camera, but it's like a really dark brown, almost blackish brown. I'm using that for my outer V just because I do not want to go dark, because I'm doing like trying to do a smoky, and I'm trying to do a smoky look and I have not done one in a while. So I'm taking my time and building this color up so it can give me a nice smoke effect. I'm gonna blend this out because it's starting to look a little muddy, so I'm gonna speed up this process. Just kind of put that out. Oh, and nothing's on my brush. Just doing a clean brush like this. Blend this out. What time is it for real? Ooh, 13. Let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna do some color correction here. Not too crazy. I want to also shout out NARS. This is the NARS Soft Matte, I believe. It's really nice. This is my first time using it, and I know it's very bold to put. I know it's very bold to bring the foundation to make sure if it works on vacation, but I really like it. It does give you a nice soft look. I do say Sephora micro screw in deep. I'm between deep and mahogany. Sometime when the season change, so does my shade. So now I'm in deep. With Sephora micro smooth. So I go between deep and mahogany. Oh no, I go between ebony and mahogany. Slant, because like it has like a nice little slant to it. It is amazing to blend out concealer for me underneath my eyes. I've been loving this brush. I've had this brush for some time now, but it's really good. Sometimes I forget I have it and I just use my sponge, but this is so much better for me. So yeah. I let the concealer sit for a bit and then I blend it out. I have not baked in a minute, but I'm gonna just blend this in. I'm not really baking, I'm just kind of setting that concealer and I'm just kind of pressing it into my skin. Actually, the Juvia's base is called Kalahari. That's the setting powder that I use. Now I'm gonna bronze my face a little. Now I'm going to do a light bronze with Black Radiance. And I'm gonna go in with the contour, this deep color, and I go lightly. This is my e.l.f.'s brush, and I go, when I say light, I just tap and tap a little off because I don't like heavy. And then let's go a little bit, let's do this up in my temples, around my forehead down, and tap that off, and then I do my chin. We'll go in my blush, and this is Black Radiance, and it's in Brick House. It's like a nice purple mauve color, and I just use a little bit of the contour. Let's use a little bit, tap it off. That's going with my same e.l.f. brush, and I just kind of put it on my face a little. I'm gonna pop on my lash and I'll be right back. So I just popped on my lashes. I believe these are the Ardell Wispies. Some liner in Cocoa, I believe. And I'm just gonna do over my lips. I'm going with a little deeper brown, just over the cocoa. I'll go with my Too Faced, I think it's called Ladyball. It's from Too Faced Melted. This nice red color, it's for a pop of color. And I'm just gonna put that in the center of my lips. Basically the look I'm going for, I need to put on my clothes. I definitely will put a picture of the final look together, and I will see you guys. I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.